In this museum, we have three distinct galleries. This is contemporary galleries where we try to showcase works of Africa done by contemporary artists, not only Africans, but non-Africans who have interest in photography or were inspired by African art can showcase their work in this room. So in this exhibition, you can see lots of work from photographs from the Afar culture in Ethiopia. And then in this section, we have what we call the Heritage Hall. In the Heritage Hall, we try to highlight objects from different countries in Africa that have made the state of Maine their home. And this gallery is also sponsored by Alison Hidrek, and it rotates on a constant basis, focusing on varieties of countries that are now living in the Macedonian land. In the back room is what we call the mask room. And the mask room, this room is more of a permanent collection of Nigerian Igbo masks. We have outstanding world-class collections of Igbo masks, and most of them are very expressive and quite interesting. And the collection all composed of the regalia worn by the masks, the staff, the dresses, the uniform, the musical instruments, and it's just outstanding. And we're very excited to present this collection to you.